my name's James, and in this video I'd like to go over the new type definition that you can have other than a class or a struct. For instance, you can now have in C#9 something called a record. As you can see, I have declared a type here, public record, my record, and I have set two properties using the get and the new initializer that I covered in my last video. On this line, I have created a new record from this type definition using the nominal object initialization method. A record type is best used for creating types that are more data than functionality, more let's say immutable, read-only than a class. Really, we're talking about a data structure. So try not to think of a record as an object, think about it as a record, a data. The concept is to declare it as a record and then declare properties with initializers. This, as in my last video, would make the property only be able to be set once in the construction of the object. So as you can see here, I've created the object. That is immutable. It cannot be changed. One interesting new feature with this record type is that you can use the new with keyword. And this comes in very useful if you want to take one record and duplicate it by adding changes. You can see here my first record is just a new record set in the name and the age. Now what I want to do here is duplicate this, not change it. I can't change it because I can only set the values in the initializer. So if I want to use this again, I have to create a new record. This means that this object is immutable. So here, using the new with keyword, I can create a new record, and within the curly braces I can set what properties, because of course this is within the construction of the object initialization stage, and using the with keyword it would create an exact copy of my first record, but now with the name Lawrence. So I've created two copies, one copy from the first copy. This safeguards the original copy and keeps it as more permanent data. I hope that makes sense. There's obviously a lot more to this, and certainly the most interesting thing is being able to use the with, and that these record types are more like value types, and not really, shouldn't be seen as an object. So you wouldn't be really declaring lots of methods or functionality within the record. Anyway, I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching.